My name's Shane, and I've got a 1981 BMW 3 Series E21. It's one of the first 3 Series, but yeah, Alpina decided to bring out the C1 2.3 version. As far as I know, there was 462 of the cars what were made, and the UK models were TWR cars, Tom Wilkinshire Racing. They were all right-hand drive cars, as far as I know. All the rest were left-hand drive cars. I picked this car up probably about 19 years ago, and I paid 800 quid for the car. The guy just wanted to get rid of it, seeing it was sat in his garage for 13 years, and well, it was his uncle's car, and you know, unfortunately he passed away, and he just wanted to sell the car on. So I purchased the car for 800 quid. The condition of it: the engine was laying on the floor, and the transmission, and it had no interior, because I think he was wrecking the car at some point, and then changed his mind and wanted to sell the car complete. There was a mouse living in the dashboard. Yeah, that was fun. It was chewed all the wire and loom up, and had to replace all that. It had one wheel on it, and the front splitter was broken. And anyway, I brought the car back up to where I live, and just set about by getting parts, searching parts, doing research on what the car should have. The purpose of the car was, at the time, I wanted to get involved in a lot of car shows, wanting to try and achieve things, do things differently with cars, and get recognised in the car scene. To, like, basically, if I can strip a car and put it back together, well, okay, let's try and go different ways and see if we can modify it, make it more, I could probably say, desirable than the manufacturers put it. No, not going against the manufacturers, of course, but yeah. Fitted UK at Manchester. Yeah, well, I didn't even enter it into the show. I didn't even enter it into the show and shine. I was just sat there and thought, right, clean all the car, make it look sort of decent. And I was sat at the back of the car, and they said, "Oh, like best wheels." And yeah, that was quite a good day at the fitted. Hope to be getting to a few more of them, or a few more BMW classic German shows, or yeah.